In this video we will see how we can navigate through our plane. So you have a mouse wheel, you can scroll up and down to zoom in and zoom out. You hold the middle mouse button to move around, to navigate around the plane. You hold shift and hold the middle mouse button to change the angle. Let's draw something simple, like a box. Let's choose a plane. Let's draw a simple box. And now, in order for us to view, we hold shift and hold the middle mouse button and move our mouse to whatever suitable angle we like. Let's make it that much of height, 5 mm. Click OK. So we have a box, right? So let's say we're confused, like we weren't able to change the angle, right? So we also have an option here on the top right corner. You see top, front, and then there are more options. So all you gotta do is you click on the top, and this is the top view of that object. And then right next to the top here there is another selectable box that appears. So that box means you can click on it and then it will change the angle, right? So you can change the angles that way too. So let's say we zoom in, zoom out, we went crazy with it and now we're lost. Where is our plane? All you have to do is you hover over this plane on the right side, and then you see this home. All you have to do is you click on it, and then you come back to your object. So it's simple as that. And that's about it, short and sweet. Thanks so much.